Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge vehicles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 GMC Hummer EV Pickup, a truck that's not just an upgrade, but a game-changer for off-road enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. From its insane performance numbers to jaw-dropping new features like King Crab mode, this is one electric monster you don't want to miss. Let's get into it! One of the standout innovations for the 2026 model year is something called King Crab mode. If you thought Crab Walk was impressive, wait until you hear this. It's been upgraded with even more capability. This enhanced four-wheel steering system increases the rear-wheel steering angle relative to the front, making low-speed maneuverability smoother than ever before. Whether you're crawling over rocks or squeezing into tight city parking spots, King Crab mode gives you unmatched agility. And here's the kicker, it's coming as a software update for previous owners too. That's right, older models will soon have access to this futuristic tech thanks to over-the-air updates. For those who crave exclusivity, GMC is rolling out the Carbon Fiber Edition. Based on the top-tier 3X model, this limited-run trim level brings style and substance together. With its unique Magnus Gray matte paint job and Velocity Ember interior theme, it's designed to turn heads wherever it goes. But it's not just about looks. The Carbon Fiber Edition takes performance to another level. With the optional 24-module battery pack, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds using the watts to freedom launch control. Yes, you heard me, 2.8 seconds. That's supercar territory. When it comes to raw power, the 2026 Hummer EV doesn't disappoint. The top-tier 3X trim, equipped with the 24-module battery, delivers a mind-blowing 1,160 horsepower and a best-in-class 13,000 pound-feet of torque. Even the standard 3X with the 20-module battery still packs a punch at 830 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque. Meanwhile, the base 2X trim offers 570 horsepower and 7,400 pound-feet of torque. Not too shabby either. And when it comes to range, the 3X with the 24-module battery boasts an estimated 363 miles per charge, while the 2X clocks in at up to 316 miles. Need a quick boost? Plug it into a DC fast charger, and you'll gain about 100 miles in just 10 minutes. Perfect for long road trips or spontaneous adventures. The 2026 Hummer EV isn't just powerful, it's smart. One of the coolest new features is bi-directional charging, which lets you use your truck as a power source for other devices, or even your home during emergencies. Then there's the enhanced version of Super Cruise, GMC's hands-free driver assistance system. It now integrates seamlessly with Google Maps, allowing automatic lane changes to keep you on track for your destination. Combine that with updated damper tuning for a smoother ride, and you've got comfort and convenience dialed in. GMC is also giving buyers more ways to personalize their rides. Two stunning new exterior colors are available, Coastal Dune and Auburn Matte. On the inside, you can choose from themes like Granite Drift and Stealth Eclipse, ensuring your Hummer feels truly yours. So, whether you're tackling extreme off-road challenges or simply enjoying the open road, the 2026 GMC Hummer EV Pickup has everything you need, and then some. With King Crab mode, the exclusive Carbon Fiber Edition, insane performance stats, and next-gen tech, this truck redefines what's possible in the electric era. The future starts now. Production begins in mid-2025, so stay tuned for more updates. What do you think of the 2026 Hummer EV Pickup? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.